What if your savings could earn one of the highest interest rates on the market, but came with a few strings attached? That's exactly the trade-off you'll face with Briodirect's high-yield savings account. With its competitive APY and online-only structure, it promises to help your money grow faster than traditional savings accounts. But is it the right fit for your financial goals? Today, we're diving deep into the pros and cons of Briodirect's high-yield savings account to help you decide if it's worth your time and money. Let's start with some context. Briodirect is an online-only division of Webster Bank, a well-established financial institution. It specializes in high-yield savings accounts and offers one of the most competitive interest rates available today. But as with any financial product, there are benefits and drawbacks to consider. Pros of Briodirect high-yield savings. Competitive interest rate. The biggest draw of Briodirect's high-yield savings account is its impressive annual percentage yield, APY, of 4.55%. This rate is significantly higher than the national average for savings accounts, making it a great option for those looking to maximize their savings growth. No monthly fees. One standout feature of Briodirect is its fee-free structure. There are no monthly maintenance fees or hidden charges, which means every dollar you save stays in your account and works toward earning interest. Daily compounding interest. Interest on your balance compounds daily and is deposited monthly, allowing your money to grow even faster over time. This feature ensures that you're earning interest not just on your principal, but also on previously earned interest. FDIC insurance. Like most reputable banks, Briodirect is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, or $500,000 for joint accounts. This provides peace of mind that your money is safe even in worst-case scenarios. Straightforward online banking. As an online-only bank, Briodirect offers a streamlined digital experience through its website and mobile app. You can easily check balances, transfer funds, and manage your account from anywhere at any time. Extended customer service hours. Briodirect provides extended phone support hours compared to many other online banks. You can reach customer service on weekdays from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time and on Saturdays from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. No balance tiers for interest rates. The APY applies uniformly across all balances as long as you meet the minimum deposit requirement. Whether you have $5,000 or $50,000 in your account, you'll earn the same competitive rate. Cons of Briodirect high-yield savings. High minimum opening deposit. To open a Briodirect high-yield savings account, you'll need a minimum deposit of $5,000, much higher than many other online banks that allow you to start with as little as $0 or $100. This could be a barrier for those just starting their savings journey. No ATM or debit card access. Unlike some high-yield savings accounts that come with an ATM card for easy cash withdrawals, Briodirect does not offer this feature. To access your funds, you'll need to transfer money to an external bank account first, a process that can take several business days. No checking account option. Briodirect focuses solely on high-yield savings accounts and does not offer checking accounts or other financial products under its platform. If you're looking for a full-service bank where you can manage all your finances in one place, this could be a limitation. Withdrawal limits. Like most savings accounts, Briodirect enforces federal regulations that limit certain types of withdrawals to 6 per month. Exceeding this limit could result in penalties or even account closure. Transfer delays. Transferring funds between Briodirect and an external bank can take several business days, depending on processing times. This delay might not be ideal if you need immediate access to your money in an emergency. No cash deposit option. Since Briodirect operates entirely online, there's no way to deposit cash directly into your account. You'll need to fund your account via electronic transfers or mailed checks instead. Limited product offerings. In addition to not offering checking accounts, Briodirect no longer provides certificates of deposit, CDs. If you're looking for more diverse banking options like CDs or loans, this platform may feel restrictive. Potential overdraft fees. While there are no monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees can apply if you exceed the available balance during transactions, something to keep in mind if you're managing multiple accounts. Trust concerns due to parent bank issues. Webster Bank, Briodirect's parent company, has faced criticism for customer complaints and was involved in a class action lawsuit over a data breach affecting nearly 200,000 customers. While this doesn't directly impact Briodirect's operations, it may raise concerns about trustworthiness for some users. Who is Briodirect High Yield Savings best for? Briodirect's High Yield Savings account is an excellent choice for individuals who have at least $5,000 ready to deposit up front, want one of the highest APYs available without worrying about monthly fees. Briodirect stands out in the crowded world of online banking by offering one of the most competitive APYs available today without charging monthly fees or imposing balance tiers on interest rates. However, its limitations, such as the high minimum opening deposit requirement and lack of ATM access, mean it won't suit everyone's needs perfectly. So now that we've laid out both sides, is Briodirect's high-yield savings account right for you? Let us know what you think in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, star.